Today I'd like to show you how I can make dinner for 4 under $30. Please stay with me to the end so I can show you how will I do it. We have a bunch of coriander, lentil, red pepper, carrots, garlic, onion, large potato, smoked paprika, salt and black pepper. Okay, let's prepare everything before we start cooking. Rinse the lentils under cold water and make sure that they are nicely clean and ready to be cooked. Then chop the coriander and rough cut the onion, carrots, potato, garlic pieces and toss everything into the pot. Then cover the whole thing with water so we can start the cooking process. For seasoning, please don't forget to add paprika, salt and black pepper. Now set the pot on the stove and bring everything to a boil over medium heat. Okay, let's check the pot. It's very good. I think it takes about probably 20 minutes to be finished. The goal is to make sure that everything is cooking very well and becoming soft, so we can put it in the blender and make a paste or puree of this. I'm doing it for the first time, so I am experimenting as well. So if you follow, we are going to be on the same boat basically. Let's check again. Looks like that the water is almost evaporated, a little bit left, maybe another couple to 3 minutes. Then we're going to use a food processor to make a puree out of this mixture. I'm going to try to mash it, and if it's not possible, then I'm going to use a food processor. But it seems to be working pretty good, mashing this with the potato masher. We let the mixture cool off a little bit. Now the mixture is a little bit cooler, so I'm gonna mix breadcrumbs and red bell pepper and our coriander and mix again. Now is a good time to add my egg and mix. I'm gonna see if I need to add another egg. I don't think so. Should be good. Just one egg makes it good. And the paste is really good. Now I'm gonna start making patties, and then I'm gonna fry them in avocado oil. Just take, that's about a small mandarin, and just do like that. I put some breadcrumbs in my plate so they don't stick to the plate. Try to make all nice and even, so when you fry them, it's going to fry easily. shape them like that. That's good. So I will go through the whole pot and show you the end result. Place a large skillet over medium heat and add 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. Gently transfer the lentil patties into your hot oil. Let them sizzle to about 2 minutes per side until golden. Wow, look at this. What a delicious dinner. Today I challenged myself to make dinner for 4 under $30. I came very close. I spent $29. Let me show you what I did. Lentil patty with some French fries. Let's take a bite and see how it tastes. Great. Tastes really good. I hope you make this dish. Follow my recipe, share it with your friends and family, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you for watching.